Today I'm showing you eGovPH, the official government services app that brings many public services together in a single mobile platform. eGovPH works as a one-stop app connecting national and local government services. You can access everything from permits, licenses, travel documents, civil records, and more all in one place. With eGovPH you can skip long queues and complicated procedures. The app simplifies bureaucratic processes and saves you time by doing your requests, applications, and official transactions online. It also helps improve transparency, reduces red tape, and makes dealing with government agencies much easier for everyone. If you need to travel or process official documents entering or exiting the country, eGovPH includes features like eTravel that streamline the travel and documentation process using your phone. No need for bulky paperwork or repeated visits. For everyday government-related needs, applying for certificates, permits, checking public services, or handling registration, eGovPH provides a convenient, centralized solution that you can access anytime from your smartphone. If you care about efficiency, saving time, and avoiding hassle, especially when dealing with official processes, give eGovPH a try and you might be surprised how much it can simplify your interaction with government services.